my name's Molly. I'm a guide here at Mad River. I'm going to tell you a little bit about our small boats. This is our middle-sized boat. It's a great boat that feels a lot of action on the river. If you're a family that has a lot of people really excited about rafting, but you have one or two people that are still a little timid, this could be a good choice for you because we have 1 or 2 seats in the middle for non-paddlers, and we can have 6 people paddling around the outside. If you're new to the river but enthusiastic and not timid, or if you've been on one of the bigger boats and you want to try something a little spicier, this is a great choice. If you're wanting something with a lot of action, but that's not quite as demanding as the super smalls, then this is probably the boat for you. You have a little bit of support from the guide on the oars. It's a little more stable than the super smalls, but you're still gonna feel all of those splashes on the way down. Really, this is my favorite size boat to take down the river. Come on down, sign up for a small boat, and let's go.